Anyway guys, my next slime in or out video will be a lot longer than that one. It'll probably be more like 5 minutes, maybe even a little more than that. I don't know why, I thought that would have taken longer, but it didn't. So sorry about that, but the next one will be longer, I promise. And there will also be some other games that I play while playing the slime. So stay tuned for those and subscribe so you don't miss those. Yeah. Alright, have a great day everyone. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far through the video, comment down below. Succulent. I know that's really random, but there's succulent right there. So comment down below succulent. Let me show you. His name is Spartacus. He's very cute. He's awesome. Alright. This is Spartacus, guys. We water him once a month. Anyway, that's all this video is about. See you guys next time. Bye.